The Spade TC-12 ELECO meat grinder has components like the body, auger, and ring-in tinned cast iron, a material known for its sturdiness and durability. The hopper is made of moplen, a plastic material, which combines strength and lightness. This combination not only ensures a perfect balance between solidity and manageability, but also promises easy cleaning. Additionally, the stainless steel self-tapping plate and knife represent the operational heart of the device, ensuring consistent and precise performance on every occasion. The base features anti-vibration pads for increased stability during use. The meat grinder is equipped with a single-phase asynchronous induction motor, with a voltage of 220 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz. With a power of 480 watts, the auger operates at a speed of 160 rotations per minute, allowing an hourly production of 100 kg. Its compact dimensions, weighing 11.5 kg and measuring 21 by 47 by 41 centimeters, emphasize its practical and functional nature.